Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Instagram app first. Then I want you to hit the lower right corner. Okay, now when you're at your settings and menu, I want you to hit the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy, the first option. When you're at settings and privacy, I want you to click on Accounts Center. When you're at Account Center, I want you to scroll down and I want you to click on Personal Details. Now, when you're at Personal Details, I want you to hit the Account Ownership and Control, the last option. When you're here, well, you simply going to click on deactivation or deletion. They're at the same menu and you will have the option to read the difference in between. If you click delete, you will have an option to recover your account within 30 days period after you click the delete button. Remember, the data that you previously published, stored, uploaded will be lost if you don't request a copy of it or if you simply download it. This is very important, and remember, you should make a special request to the Meta so they will prepare your information and they will send you a special link so you will be able to download it. Simply because the information process is not automatic. They have to search, they have to collect, they have to gather all the information and they're going to send you a link. This link will have an expiration, 3 days, 5 days, depend on the case. They're going to send you an email with the link and you're going to click on the link and you're going to download your data. But this is how you delete your Instagram account permanently. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.